Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on day one, we have learned what is a framework and why we need a framework. We completely understood what is the problems that we'll face if we'll not create our framework. So as part of today, I'll just remove these points. Okay, so as part of today's video, we will learn what are the prerequisites that we need for creating a framework in Playwright. Okay, so the first thing that we have to learn as the first thing we have to do that as we are learning the creation of framework with Playwright with JavaScript as the scripting language. So whenever we do anything with JavaScript, then we need to have Node.js in place. Okay, the first thing that you have to install in your machine in is Node.js. Okay, so this is the Node.js. You just have to simply do a Google search that download Node.js, then this particular will get open. So if you can see, just download Node.js. That's it. We want to search, and you will get something like this, and you have to click on the download, and you just have to do next, finish like you normally install a software. That's you have to do. So this is the first thing that you have to do. After that, you go to after successfully installed, you don't need to restart anything. You just have to go to environment variable. Okay, environment variable, system environment variable. You just have to search, and after that you have to go to the environment variable, and wherever you have installed the Node.js, so normally it will not change anything. It will normally get installed in a zip folder under the program files. So in my case, if you can see, so I've set the node home, that is node underscore home. How you can set it? You have to click on the new, and you have to write node home, and you have to here you have to pass the location where exactly you have installed. So in if you can see in my machine, it is installed in node home, and it's been installed in C under that program files under that Node.js. So that path you have to give so that it will be globally recognized in your machine. Okay. So after doing this, sometimes your my system requires a restart, but if you are using a latest laptop, then you don't need to you don't need to do a restart. It will automatically fetch. So after setting this node home, you just have to open the command prompt. Okay, well, I think it's already open. Okay, so you have to open the command prompt. Here you have to uh, paste what a command that is node-v. Okay, so here you will get a uh, version number. Like if your Node.js is successfully installed, then you will get a proper version number. So that means it is successfully installed. Okay. After that, you have to write npm -v. So what is npm? npm stands for Node Package Manager. It generally comes along with the Node.js to manage, install the JavaScript libraries, or you can say packages. So that is what about npm. And when we'll create a framework, you will get to know what exactly npm and why we need, how you can use this npm command. So everything we'll learn. Okay. So this is all about Node.js. First of all, you have to install the Node.js. You have to uh, set the node home, and after that you have to verify with node-v and npm-v. So I'll just do one thing. I'll write over here. First of all, install Node.js. Why? Because as we are using the JavaScript, so whenever you do anything about Node JavaScript, then we have to install the Node.js. The next one is you have to set node home under environment variable. After that, you have to open the command prompt. Okay, and there you will have to pass one command that node-v and npm-v. So this is what you have to press, and you have to verify whether if it is not recognized, then that means it is not properly installed, and if it is showing you a proper version number, then that means it is successfully installed. After that, what we'll do, you have to install the editor. So in if you're working with JavaScript as a scripting language, then VS Code is the best editor. VS stands for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so how will you install that? It is also very easy. So this is also simple in Google. You have to just search download VS Code. It will come something like this in the screen, and you have to install the Windows version over here. Okay, so this is all about the prerequisite stuff what we need to in place in your that you have to set up in your machine to uh, start with Playwright Automation Framework. So this is all about today's video. This is very quick video. So from the next video, we'll create a basic structure of the automation framework, and after that we'll start writing our own test cases. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.